Oh, I wish what my Canon with me. This thing doesn't like to focus. Come on, focus. You don't want to focus. Come on. There we go. Very nice button. I think this is a Sigma or LG. Please tell me what this button is. By the way, this came from Asia. And these buttons can be seen all over Asia. Thailand, China, Kuwait, even places in the northeast as well uses this button. Like Indonesia, Thailand, where else? Taiwan uses these buttons. Kuwait. Where else uses these buttons? And by the way, this ring on the back here, this one's stiff to get off, but there we go, this ring. Yes, out of focus again. Lovely. This ring on the back is for it's basically a way of unscrewing the button and putting it onto a panel, which in the new year I will put both of these buttons on a plate. But this is very, very cool. I think this is LG or Sigma, but it could be it also could be Hyundai or something like that. But I'm willing to bet it's Sigma by Otis. So I wish Sigma would be found in the UK because these buttons, Sigmas are cool. And no, Sigmas aren't knockoff Mitsubishis like what Renault thought. Sigmas are their own design with their own original ideas. Yeah, this is very rare. Thanks for watching. Very rare to find in the UK because my dad had to import this from Asia. Thanks for watching.